Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your legal residence on Interactive Brokers. There are different methods depending on your situation, so I'll cover each one in order. The first thing to try is updating your residence directly in your account settings. This works when your new country is served by the same ibkr entity. Log into Client Portal at interactivebrokers.com. Click the User menu, that's the Head and Shoulders icon in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings, then click Account Profile. The account settings screen opens and you'll see the profiles panel at the top. Click the edit icon, that's the pencil for the profile you want to modify. Click profile or tax forms. Your profile information appears on a series of screens. Update your country of legal residence, address, and other personal information. Click continue to advance through the screens, modifying information as required, review everything, then submit the changes. You'll be prompted to upload supporting documents, proof of address, and updated tax forms. If the system processes this without asking you to open a new account, your portfolio moves automatically and you're done. If that didn't work, the system will tell you that a new account is required. This happens when you're moving to a country served by a different ibkr entity. Open a new account application with your new residence information. Complete the form with your new country details. You'll need to provide proof of identity, passport, or ID card, proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement, your residential address in the new country, your phone number, and your tax identification number for the new country. Wait for the new account to be approved and activated. Once it's live, open a support ticket within Interactive Brokers to request an asset transfer from your old account to the new one. Authorize the transfer. ibkr will process the internal transfer and move all your stocks and assets across. The system message saying changing the address to your new country was not possible is your signal that this is the path you need. Still stuck or have a complex account type? The next thing to do is contact ibkr support directly. Log into Client Portal, navigate to the Help or Support section, and open a support ticket. Explain that you're moving from your current country to your new country and need guidance. Request specific steps for your account. Support will respond with instructions tailored to your situation and tell you whether you need Method 1 or Method 2. Submit all requested documentation through secure messaging and follow whatever process they outline. The documents you'll need are roughly the same as when you opened the account originally. Keep in mind that certain features or rates may change depending on your new jurisdiction. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.